Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to make chips bag mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the chips bag. After make a perfect selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer and pick a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to the chips bag size and reduce the opacity and convert it into smart object. And now double click on smart object icon and import the design. Go to file, place embedded and import the design here and transform it and hit OK and press Ctrl S to save and close this tab. And after that, create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to multiply and go to blending options. Break the underlying slider by holding Alt and drag with click and hit OK. Your chips bag mockup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.